What's up guys, today I'm going to do a quick Dragy tutorial. So if you don't know what Dragy is, basically this is a little device that uses satellites to track performance data. It measures acceleration, braking, and road slope. If you've ever seen screenshots that look like this posted online, this is where those screenshots came from. You connect the Dragy device to the Dragy smartphone app on iPhone or Android, and the app acts as an interface for the device. I have an Amazon link in the description if you're interested in it. This is the box you get when you order it. The box contains the Dragy device, 2 mounting strips, a USB charging cable, and a little instruction booklet. The device has magnets on the bottom and mounts right to the strips. And it is much smaller than what it looks like in the pictures. Here it is next to my iPhone. You can plug the USB to the back of it, but it doesn't need to stay plugged in since it does have a built-in battery. It takes 1.5 hours to charge, and the battery life is about 8 to 10 hours. The Dragy website says to mount it on the dash, but I prefer it down here, and it still works just fine as long as it's getting the GPS signals that it needs. Just make sure you mount it horizontally. From here, you just open the Dragy app and connect to your device. If you see the flashing blue light, it means you're good to go. Once you're connected, you can see the Go screen, which displays temperature, elevation, device battery life, distance, and speed. You can switch over to the Me screen and add your car along with modification details on your car. You can see your past runs and mess with settings like filters. The device tracks your acceleration and braking even when you're just cruising around, so the filters are really useful from separating the real performance data from just casual driving. You're also able to change units of measurement and select which performance metrics you want to measure. There's also a social media aspect to this app where you can view other people's runs and view leaderboards and view people who have the same car as yours and kind of see what numbers they're putting up, and you can post your own videos, which is kind of cool. Now that it's connected, I set my cruise control to 60 just to see how the speed on the Dragy app compares to what my heads-up display is showing. And it looks like the Dragy app is about 2 miles per hour less than what shows up on my heads-up display. I tried moving the device onto the dash to see if anything would change, but it didn't. It's still about 2 miles per hour less. One of my favorite features of this app is that it gives you the option to record your runs, and when you do that, it gives you this little augmented reality type thing, which looks like something you'd see when you're playing a racing video game. Okay, that was a video of a quick launch I did. 5.2 seconds is pretty terrible for my car. I should be doing it in like 4.5, but rear-wheel drive, ground was wet, couldn't get traction. Thank you guys for watching. I think this is a pretty cool device. If you're really into the numbers, I think it's worth it. I like to modify my car and try different bolt-on parts and different tunes and see how each part changes the performance of the car. So for me, it was worth getting.